Hey folks, today is August 19th. It's currently 8:58 in the morning. If you guys recall in the previous video, I said I was going to look at getting this set up. They're a proprietary trade entry software, and that's what you guys can see here. And this is a ZB chart. And as you can see here, you're able to come in here, select which chart you want to use. You're able to select your ATM strategy and your account. But basically what you're going to do is when he says in the room buy and up close, you're going to press this button. When he says sell in the down close, you're going to press this button. And what that's going to let you do is get into the trade much quicker than I could just entering a market order. And actually, one moment, let's take a look here. This right here is the website, NinjaDimeTrading.com. You can go to the video library by clicking right there at the top, and this is actually going to give you a lot of the details on how the system works, so you guys can check this out if you want to. And here's the trading manual that I went through to learn everything, so you will also get this information here. Alright, sell on a close, sell instrument at formation close. Trade execution will occur if formation closes up or down. Alright, buy on close up. Buy instrument at formation close up. Trade execution will occur only if formation closes up. If formation closes down, trade will automatically be canceled. Alright, so the trade automatically gets canceled if you're not entered. Alright, let me go ahead and unmute the room.
Okay, here's the countdown. Okay, it's open.
Alright guys, I'm going to try and record me actually using this and hopefully using it properly. I haven't tested it yet, but we're going to see today how it does.
It's just pushing down even further. Let's see if we get a retracement on crude and
Alright.
a continuation short.
Be back with you guys momentarily. Alright guys, we're going to sell a down close on the ES. Sell and down close. I press that button. So let's see if this actually works for us. If not, it should automatically cancel it.
And just watch it. All right, let's cancel it.
Alright, so as you guys saw, I clicked it, wasn't a down close, and so the market, we just ended up closing it out. We didn't get entered, which is what it was supposed to do. Alright, so once we get another opportunity, we'll try it again and see how it goes. Alright guys, we're going to sell the ES on a down close. We'll see if we get entered on this one.
Order pending.
All right, we're in the trade.
Order filled.
Alright, now I'm in the trade. I have it set for a 1 pullback, as you guys can see. That just gives me a little bit of a better entry. But I did just notice something. I thought it would still show up, but one moment guys. Alright, let's go for ES 915. Alright, so I'm going to need this in order to actually see what's going on. But the good thing here is that you guys can see our ATM strategy was automatically entered, as you can see there, and everything seems to be working as it should. We got entered on a down close, so everything worked properly. I'm not really familiar with trading with this here, so I might unfortunately make a few mistakes with it, because I didn't know I was going to have to switch it over to or open up this dome here, but we'll see how it goes. As a matter of fact, I don't think I've ever really traded with a dynamic superdome.
Come on. There's our first target. It's a quick hit, but it hit it. There we go. Hit it again.
I'd like to see how to move my stop down, but you must first suspend the price ladder display via the hold button or holding down the spacebar before modifying the quantity. I don't want to modify the quantity.
There's our second target.
Market got to the second target. It's just waiting to fill. There it is. I know this is probably to close it. That's to, let me see if I just hold the middle. Alright, so there's that. This was our entry price. Currently back 2 ticks.
Now keep going.
And of course you can actually see the chart right here. I'm not going to give too much back on this one. If it does come all the way back, we'll just go ahead and let it stop us out.
Go down. Go.
Stop is at break even. Got about 1 tick, where we were about 1 tick away from getting taken out of our last profit target. Didn't quite go through it.
We're out of the trade at plus 10. Went all the way.
Let's see if we can get a push through.
We got a third target. Thank you. Thank you, Steve. We'll see how far it goes. But we closed this trade
Target
on a full
and
3
there it
targets.
is. They got out a little early, but as you guys saw, did go through the third profit target for me as well. And everything
11 ticks.
went as planned on
Right
this.
through the first.
And it looks
That
like
went 12 ticks.
I'm just going to have to manage it by just switching these, which isn't a problem. Alright guys, I'll be back
Only
with you.
reason I left it in through the open is we already had our first and second targets out. That's still going.
I'll be back once we get the next opportunity. Alright guys, we're going to sell the ES on a down close.
selling the ES on the down close.
And again, just like last time, everything should happen automatically. If we get a down close, that is. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would for this bar to close for us. I really want to actually see
You'll see the quant lines change in color.
the pending order
underneath the
going.
trade.
And these are the quant lines that he's talking about down here. But I was saying I want to see that pullback tick. So hopefully this will end up as a down bar. And we'll get to see this automatically enter our pending order a tick above the market.
Order filled.
Alright, so we got filled pretty quickly on that
Market
one.
orders filled.
Let's see what happens here.
Target filled.
First target is hit.
First target's hit.
Filled.
Close the trade. Target's filled. Close the trade. First target.
I'm just going to move this down.
We're out of the trade. We'll see how far it goes.
Stop filled.
Alright, so we got our stop hit. But again, another great trade. It happened a little bit too quick for me to actually see the
There she goes.
pullback on that, but it is what it is. It's set in, so I know it happened, but would have been nice if it was a slower market where we could actually seen it, but I am not complaining. Great trade. And everything is working exactly as it's supposed to be. Alright, let me pause the video. We should be at about 15 minutes now. and I'll come back to you guys shortly. All right,
So we
guys,
had
they're
three trades.
shutting things down today.
Very few commissions today.
All right, they're up nicely, like I said, so he's just going to stop trading. Let's see here. All right, 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 losers. They're going over everything right now, and as usual, I'm not going to stay for the overview, for the wrap-up. I don't want this video to go that long here, and that'll probably go until 10:30ish, 11 o'clock or so, because they're going to be doing something about a quiz. I'm going to stick around to see what that is, but they're going to be doing, let's see here. Don't forget your quiz today. All right, so yeah, and he said he's going to be doing that with us here shortly, so I'm going to see what that's all about. But anyway, you guys did get to see this today. And again, this right here, you guys have the opportunity to do a 7-day trial, I believe it is. With this, you have an opportunity to do a 7-day trial with the trade room. You know, so definitely just go ahead and shoot over to RightlineTrading.com, and you can get your trial there. And I'll put a link for this in the description below, so you guys can look at getting a trial for this if you want to as well. All right, folks, if you guys want to actually participate in the wrap-up, make sure you go ahead and get signed up for the trade room, and you guys can watch that and get the information that he gives in the room. Let me unmute it for a
2
second.
winners target, but it skipped through so fast. It took out an extra tip for us. And then we had...
All right, so that's going to be it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll continue this for the rest of the week.
minus
Take care, folks.